you doing? I hope you're doing really good these days. Today we're going to color the butterfly and the dragonfly that we prepared with eggshell last week. I am going to use all kinds of materials like crayon, oil pastel, markers, and also I think I'm gonna use a little bit of dry pastel, and I have some glitter glue that I can use to decorate my painting. So let's begin. Okay, here's the butterfly and the dragonfly that I prepared last week. Before we begin to color, I have this little brush. It's a very soft brush because I don't want to be too hard on it. And I'm going to brush a little bit very softly, because if there was, just like this one, if there was a little bit of eggshell that did not get pasted well, I can brush it off so that it doesn't bother me when I color. Now, when you start coloring, if any eggshell piece falls off, that's okay. It's part of a very natural thing that can happen. But no matter, I want you to be really careful when you color this, because you don't want to lose an eggshell piece that you didn't have to lose. So here we go. I have oil pastel here. I have normal wax crayon, and I have some markers. I think markers are the best option here because you don't have to press too hard. So let's take a look here. Let me try a wax crayon, maybe for the head. I'm not pressing down too much. I'm going really softly on top of this head. And it colors really well. Of course, because of the texture of the eggshell, it doesn't get colored too perfectly and clearly, but that is part of the project, using the texture of the eggshell. This one fell off, like I said. Some of these are falling off, but I think I'm okay with the amount of shells that are falling off. So there we go. Wax crayon still works. You just need to go really softly. And when you do that, maybe you want to go several times over the same area so that it gets more color. Because if you go really softly, it is hard to get strong colors. There. Now let's try oil pastel. My oil pastel is very soft, so I don't have to press too hard. Let's see, for the body, maybe I want pink. So here, ooh, I think I like that much better. I'm not going too hard on it. Still going very soft. And you know what? I think I'm gonna switch colors and go darker. So I'm switching colors now, even though I'm still working on the body. Do you remember this was just one big shape to show both chest and the belly? So I'm not going to try to make the clear distinction, but maybe by switching colors that are kind of similar, I can suggest that there's two different parts drawn in one big shape. There we go. So oil pastel, especially if it is the soft kind, colors on top of the eggshell a little bit more easily. There. Now I think I'm going to switch to markers. I want a strong color. So I think I'm gonna go with, I like this green. And maybe I can